Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're unboxing another fidget slider, but I'm pretty sure this is the brand name for this fidget. All right, here we got some stickers, a lot of stickers actually. More stickers. I'm pretty sure this is the brand name. So we got here, looks like a sandwich piece. It's pretty cool. The slider itself. And then balls. Great. Let's try it out. Let's unbox this thing. Gonna poke a hole. Super excited about this thing. From the looks of it, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 4-click slider. With the sandwich, it's gonna be even more. So yeah, let's check it out. We got another wrapping over here. Look at that, it looks pretty cool. Let me open up the sandwich piece first. Alright, here it is. I'm pretty sure this is stainless steel material. Yeah, it feels to be stainless steel. Alright. Oh my god. God, just from that one click, I can already tell this is a banger. This thing is great. Just look at the design of this thing. It's so cool. I'm gonna try to pronounce that. Number 26. So I think this was supposed to be a 4-click, but it's a 2-click. Let's try to open this up and see what's inside. Oh, that's a lot of balls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 magnets, making it a 4-click. That's quite a lot of balls. We got more balls here. First, let me try taking out one ball on each side. These are plastic balls, seem to be. Oh shit. Yeah, that's not gonna work. You gotta take out 4 balls. This should add an extra click to it. Yep, now it's a 3-click. Great, this thing sounds amazing. Now we gotta take out 2 more balls, but let me try it with 1. Yep, you gotta take out 2. Yeah, I don't think this thing's meant to be used with 1 ball on each side. You guys can see it looks like it's about to fall off. But if you're yeah, you can, but like I wouldn't recommend it. So let's try it with 6 balls on each side, I believe it was. Yep. I think that's the best setting for this thing. The magnet strength is pretty great too. This thing just feels so nice in the hand. Yeah, like I said, this thing feels so nice. Slides both ways. It's got a pretty cool design in the back. Not too sure what that's meant to be or what that writing says. But now let's try the sandwich piece. All right, we got that on. Let's get out 12 more balls. Should take them all out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's close it up. All right, there we go. Nice little sandwich piece. Oh wait, I think I put 2 extra balls in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it's 5, not 6. I'm just stupid. Yep, this thing rocks. I love this thing. Another one of my top favorite fidgets as well. It's pretty quiet as well, but I wouldn't take this out on the walk with me because I'll be too afraid of just losing all the balls. They could just... It's a pretty silent fidget as well too. Not that loud at all. Let me actually see what it sounds like. So doesn't go over like 75. Pretty nice. Let me just take out the sandwich piece, put it back to... Actually, let me try it as a free floater. Let me try again. I guess you can use it as a free floating slider. Maybe a bit difficult, but it can definitely work. Yeah, see? Because the magnet's just in the middle, not the sides. But it's not meant to be a free floating slider. That's just a bonus. What about with the sandwich piece? Gotta rotate that first. So yeah, not really ideal. But yeah, it's not meant to be a free floating slider. Let me just put these balls back in. Yeah, I think this is my favorite mode, just having 5 balls on each side. Love this slider. So yeah, I definitely love this thing. 10 out of 10. Would recommend it. And I don't think these are pretty expensive. Let me just put these away. I'm gonna keep it in this form, with just without the sandwich. So yeah, that'll be all for this video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, and see you guys in the next unboxing.